Inside Ohio, millions of pounds of bones begin an extraordinary transformation.
What if these massive bones were about to become something you use every day? The raw material arrives here under tightly controlled conditions. Before processing, every incoming batch is carefully inspected.
Different bone sizes are separated for consistent processing.
Next, the bones enter a controlled industrial cleaning stage. A specialized system removes remaining organic fats from the material. After cleaning, the bones receive a thorough, controlled rinse.
We're seeing a slight fluctuation here at the intake.
Adjust the airflow on vent 3, maintain the single layer integrity.
One final inspection confirms the material is ready for heating. Inside the enormous behind the goods facility, dry fish bones are transported by this conveyor system towards the high temperature calcination kilns.
Now the prepared material enters the most important stage. Inside these kilns, the cleaned bones face intense, controlled heat. The heat removes organic components and transforms the bone. Cooled material is reduced to a more manageable size. After heating, the calcined material is crushed into a consistent powder. After heating, the transformed material leaves the kiln. The hot material is cooled gradually under controlled conditions. After heating, the transformed material leaves the kiln. Once cooled, the bone ash is collected for further processing.
Controlled particle size makes the next stage far more precise.
Inside the East Liverpool, Ohio plant, this massive fine milling system precisely refines calcined bone ash into a uniform powder with no material loss. Next, the material is refined into an exceptionally fine powder.
Next, the material is refined into an exceptionally fine powder.
The finished bone ash powder moves through sealed transfer lines. Bone ash is only one part of the ceramic formula.
High-quality kaolin provides essential structure to the ceramic body.
Feldspathic materials help create the desired fired ceramic structure.
Every ingredient is measured to maintain the exact formulation.
Now the carefully measured ingredients come together.
The goal is a completely uniform ceramic mixture. The ceramic ingredients are prepared into a workable production body. Air is removed to prevent defects during forming and firing.
Now the refined ceramic body is ready to become tableware. Now the refined ceramic body is ready to become tableware.
Measured portions are delivered precisely to each forming station.
This is where the ceramic body finally takes its first shape. First plates are pressed into their familiar circular form. Precision tooling creates the smooth, raised edge of each plate. Every plate must maintain a remarkably consistent thickness. The same carefully prepared body can form deeper tableware too.
Inside the mold, the bowl's
The
smooth
rim
interior
receives an
is
especially
carefully defined.
precise finishing pass.
Then the production line shifts to cups and smaller vessels.
Each cup body is shaped with the same controlled precision. Separate forming equipment prepares the delicate cup handles. Each handle is carefully attached while the ceramic is still workable.
Alignment is checked before the cups continue down the line. Plates, bowls, and cups now move through separate precision lines.
Before drying, every surface receives a final smoothing pass. Even the smallest edge must meet the factory's exact standard. Once shaped, the fragile pieces move into controlled drying.
Technicians check the pieces as moisture levels gradually drop. The shaped tableware is now ready for its defining transformation.
East Liverpool, Ohio begins the first major firing stage.
Here in East Liverpool, Ohio, the kiln raises temperature precisely.
Inside, multiple heating zones control the ceramic transformation. Heat transforms the fragile body into strong ceramic.
Across this Ohio factory, every temperature change matters.
Near the peak, the ceramic reaches critical firing conditions.
After firing, controlled cooling begins just as carefully. Here in East Liverpool, the fired pieces reveal their strength.
Now every piece faces its first detailed quality inspection. Next, a carefully prepared glaze gives the surface its refined finish. Before application, the glaze passes through fine filtration.
Inside East Liverpool, the tableware receives its smooth, protective glaze.
These East Liverpool bowls receive the same controlled treatment.
Pressure looks consistent on the handles.
Yes, and the coating is perfectly smooth right here.
Even the smallest cups receive precise glaze coverage.
The fresh coating is inspected before the final firing.
Spacing is exact.
Confirmed. Ready for the next layer.
Perfectly coated pieces are loaded for their final firing.
From East Liverpool, Ohio, one final firing creates the finished surface. The glazed pieces now enter East Liverpool's final firing stage. Under controlled heat, the glaze develops its smooth, finished surface. The final firing permanently bonds the glaze to each piece.
In this Ohio plant, the final temperature is monitored continuously.
At peak temperature, the ceramic surface reaches its final finish. The finished pieces now begin their final controlled cooling. Now the smooth glazed surface finally reveals its finished appearance.
A simple acoustic check helps confirm the ceramic's integrity.
The rim must remain perfectly smooth and consistently formed.
Cups receive the same strict inspection from rim to handle.
Final measurements confirm every piece meets its specification.
Approved pieces are automatically organized for the next stage. Precision equipment can apply delicate patterns with remarkable consistency. Premium pieces can receive an exceptionally fine decorative edge.
Every decorative detail is checked before the final finish. A gentle final polish brings out the ceramic's refined appearance.
In East Liverpool, Ohio, the finished pieces now enter packaging. Before packing, every piece receives one final visual check.
Keep an eye on the feed rate for the large bowls in lane 3. Wilco.
Everything seems to be running smoothly so far.
Protective dividers are prepared to keep every piece secure. Each plate receives protection before entering its shipping box.
Bowls receive fitted protection around their curved surfaces.
Individual cup compartments prevent contact during transport.
Meanwhile, sturdy shipping boxes are formed automatically.
Check the metrics on the tablet. Looks good. Efficiency is steady at 99%.
Protected plates are now placed carefully into their boxes. Protected bowls are fitted securely into their compartments. Cup sets are arranged with every handle safely separated.
The alignment looks perfect on that one. Yeah, confirmed. Moving to the next pallet.
A final protective layer covers the packed tableware. The filled boxes are now ready to be securely closed. A secure seal locks each package for its journey. Completed packages are checked for consistent weight.